Is the city attorney housed in here? Could I speak to the city attorney? Thank you. Yeah, ask him to come down here and speak to me, please. That's an ADA check sheet for compliance.
No, I was wondering about that.
I know. Yep. ADA check sheet for compliance right here.
Hey, how you doing?
Richard Capel.
I have a Mr.
Richard Capel.
downstairs, and he wants to speak with an attorney, and it's about, he says he's with the American Disability Act.
I'm not with them. I'm doing an audit, a Title II audit.
Title II audit, whatever he said. To audit, yeah. No, he's not speaking, no.
Yes, Richard Capel. Hey, boss. I called y'all. Richard Capel, how you?
Okay. All right. Cool.
You doing all right?
Yeah. How are you?
I'm okay.
Okay. Yeah,
This is a check sheet, Americans with Disabilities Act compliance.
Okay.
Okay. Gardner Johnson used to be your ADA coordinator.
Okay.
Okay. So many years ago, and this is my nonprofit organization business license.
Okay.
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 So, and I'm a graduate of your Columbia City Police Department Citizens Police Academy.
Okay.
Like your third class ever put on.
Okay.
Okay. And a disability retired from Richland County Emergency Services, EMS Division.
Okay.
After working 20 years in EMS and picking up people for a living, third hernia surgery, doctor said no more picking up people for a living for you anymore.
Okay.
So this is what I do now. I get compliance with Title II of the Americans with Disabilities Act because there's no 11th Amendment immunities for non-compliance with Title II. Okay?
Okay.
Your chief, signed a settlement agreement with the Department of Justice stating that he would name an ADA coordinator for law enforcement.
Okay.
If you go to your website, which I can do right here, right now, and show you, you can see that I'm trying to help y'all comply is all I'm trying to do. I'm not looking for a lawsuit.
Okay.
But I'm trying to help y'all comply.
Okay. I don't need to see all that. I'm just trying to figure out what you need today.
That's
okay,
your website.
Okay. That's above my pay grade. You know, that's the chief stuff.
Okay. So, that's who says
how can I help
they
you
are
today?
now in Gardner Johnson's slot.
How can I help you today?
This is my third attempt to come and talk to the ADA coordinator.
Okay.
And this is who is listed as the ADA coordinator now, right
this
here.
Person right
this
here?
person right
okay.
here.
Right.
That's on your police website.
Okay.
See? ADA coordinator for law enforcement.
All right.
So I need a report.
Let's see, like
I need a report that numerous times I've come here to do this audit, and numerous times I've been turned down. You don't comply. You're not complying. You're not willing to work with me. These people aren't.
Who was you? Who was you?
This person right here.
Okay. Who is that person?
According to this, it's the ADA coordinator
okay,
for
well,
your
what is his name?
law enforcement. Her name.
Her name.
Denise Javis.
Okay.
You
so
know, I can.
Where is their office supposed to be at? Because I don't.
Right here, 1401 Main Street.
Okay. So hang on a second.
Sure.
Did you ask him to talk to that person?
Oh yeah, and this is the second time I've seen.
Hold on.
Okay.
Who was this person? Did you ask?
That he spoke with today?
No. He's saying he needed to talk to whoever that person is there to do his whatever he needs to do. Is that person here or not here or doesn't?
What I'm hearing is saying the person that used to do it, Mr. Gardner Johnson.
Right.
He's no longer with the city HR.
Right.
Okay, hang on, just let him finish. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So when you contacted HR up there, did you ask for somebody to come speak to this gentleman in reference to whatever issue he had?
Right, and the person wasn't there. She was in the restroom.
Okay.
She spoke to him and told him what he needed to do.
Okay. Is that true?
I don't think that's necessarily true.
Okay. So what do you need now if you've already spoke to somebody?
I didn't speak with the individual that's
Okay.
named on the website.
Okay, they're not here.
So.
Okay, so that they're not here. From what he's saying, they've been replaced by somebody else, and that person talk to you that is in whatever capacity of that job. So
Okay.
what else do you need?
When I made a phone call today to Human Resources, just the normal generic phone number, they said they have not hired anybody to take Gardner Johnson's position.
Okay, so you don't have anybody to talk to.
So that means now you're not in compliance with the settlement agreement that your chief signed with the Department of Justice.
Okay.
So do I go to the Department of Justice and
Yes.
complain, or do I just come to you and say, hey, look, y'all need to do, you know,
If you
y'all
got a
need to,
problem with
you know.
whatever their compliance
So-
is, you need to just take it up with the Department of Justice. 'Cause
Well, I mean, it's easier, don't you think, for me to say, hey, look, this
they've already
is
tried
what
to
needs.
address it with you. Obviously, it's not.
And I've sent them emails, I've
Okay,
sent them,
but then
you know,
if
they
it's
can get
not
college
working, then you need to
credit.
go to the Department of Justice. Take it up with them, okay?
Well, I mean,
Okay, do you understand that?
I mean, I hear what you're saying, but I don't know what my next step is as far as
Go to the
getting,
Department of Justice. Take
Well-
it up with them. If the city is not in compliance with whatever you state.
They're not.
then- Okay, then take it up with the Department of Justice. Those are the ones that are gonna enforce it.
but it's just so much easier to speak to
sir,
your
it's-
attorney and your own people and get you
No,
to
they're not
voluntarily
gonna-
comply, because there's no
Well,
11th Amendment
If the
immunities.
city's in non-compliance, then speak to the Department of Justice and they'll come out and make the city be in compliance, okay?
Do you remember your 2013, 2014 legal
Sir,
updates?
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, do you remember your 2013, 2014 legal
I'm not
updates?
discussing legal updates with you, okay? If you,
This is me. And this is why you had the 2013,
Okay.
2014 legal
all right,
updates.
do you have any other business here?
I'd like a report that
I'm
I
not
have
making a
showed up
report for you,
again.
okay? I'm not. You need to go, take that up with the Department of Justice, not me.
Well, I would like to just
What-
get voluntary
Okay,
compliance. I
there's
don't
a
want to
lot
have
of
to go
things
to the
that you
Department
want
of
that You're
Justice.
not getting today.
Because if I go to the Department of
Go to the
Justice, it's
Department
a
of
big
Justice.
hassle for everybody. But if
Okay.
y'all voluntarily comply,
Go to the
then,
Department
you
of
know.
Justice, sir.
All right,
Have a nice day.
all right. I'll go by your orders. Thanks. Thank you.